National Electrical Code Section 314.28 if addresses fittings. It states fittings shall be designed and installed so that the circuit conductors will not contact any pointed or sharp part, with the possible result of damaging the conductor. While the National Electrical Code does not specifically address the allowable gap between the Wiremold fitting and the metal junction box, the general requirement in 314.28 FIV implies that the fitting should be installed to prevent sharp edges or points from contacting the conductors. To ensure compliance with the National Electrical Code and provide a safe and reliable installation, it is recommended to firstly use fittings that are specifically designed for the Wiremold wireway and metal junction box. Secondly, verify that the fittings are securely installed on both the wireway and the box. And thirdly, caulk or seal any gaps between the fitting and the box, using an approved material such as fire-rated silicone. Generally, small gaps of less than 1/16 inch, which is equivalent to 1.5 mm on the front side of the fitting, are considered acceptable, provided that the fitting is properly secured and the conductors are not exposed. However, it is always advisable to use caulk or seal any gaps, regardless of size, to prevent dust, moisture, or insects from entering the box. Some inspectors may require that all gaps be completely sealed, regardless of size. It is important to check with the local authority having jurisdiction to determine the specific requirements for your area. The key principle is preventing conductor damage and maintaining a secure electrical enclosure.